check this out. This says hooroo, and hooroo is a way of saying goodbye. So if I say hooroo, it means goodbye. That's pretty groovy. I think the car is attached to the back of the caravan, I think. Anyway, it says Esperance. Esperance is in Western Australia. I was going to fill up my wheels, but it says air system fault, not working. Damn it. So this is the car wash place. The world's favorite car wash, apparently. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. $10. What can I get for $10? My car is so dirty. It's 11 o'clock. I think everyone's decided they're getting their car washed today. There's a line behind me and there's a line in front of me. I think I'll just get the $10 one. Good morning. Can I just get the $10 one today, please? Thank you.
Just remember not to the machine.
Yep.
Neutral on that road.
Okay, beautiful. Thank you. The guy has a power hose and he's going over the car once. He's telling me to come forward. Forward. And now put it into neutral. So now I'm going into it's so weird. Let me show you. Going into the car wash. So I don't touch the steering wheel. Hopefully it will give my car a really good wash. My car was really dirty. Very dirty car. And now I will have a clean car. Then there's like a drying fan. See, it's starting to dry the car. Ooh. Perfect. Okay. Good to go. Yay. Thank you. In Australia, it's good to have the courtesy wave, to use the courtesy wave. The courtesy wave is where you just give a little wave and you just say, whoa, and you just say thanks to other people on the road. So you might just go, thanks. And it's good, and we call it the courtesy wave. I just moved my car because there was a tree and it was dropping things off the tree. I think a bird just pooed on my car, like just after I got it cleaned. So I'm going into Kmart. There's also Coles in here. They also have Aldi, and they have parents parking, seniors parking, and Australia Post. These socks have cockatoos on them. We are here at Kmart. Let's go and have a look. These are really sweet. I might have to get some of these. I have a present I need to get for my niece. So in Kmart, they have a really good like party section, and they have like boys' clothes, girls' clothes, so much stuff in Kmart, and it's good prices. Baby clothes as well. This is cute. Foodie friends. Avocado and toast. Avo and toast. They have Lego tables. Other Lego. This is a good one. So many things. So many cute things too. They have lots of like wood toys that are actually quite affordable. Like they're all made of wood, and some of them are really cute. Baby chino set, wooden baby chino set, wooden picnic set, all sorts of different things. Plates, ham, lettuce, tomato, cheese, bread slices, thermos, cups, cutting baguette, orange wedges, all sorts of different things. Some Aussie cards. Okay, I'm trying to decide. This one is deluxe extendable era. This one is winged clothes era with garment rack. They're the same price. 35, 35. And then there's other ones like these ones. I think it's one of these. So this is one of our banks, Commonwealth Bank. It gets called Combank. So I'm fading fast. I got myself a banana smoothie and a cheese and bacon roll. And I'm going to have this and I'm going to go home. There are some cool old cars. There's a car show on and there's lots of different cars. I'll show you. Here's an old ute.
Okay, this is the runner-up for the best hot rod. Pink, no doubt.
So there's heaps of old cars here. And I'm just sitting by the bridge. These blokes are fishing. There's a big boat out here. Oh, that car's got a bit of smoke coming out of it. There's a lady sitting with her dog. There's a pink tent. Boat. And the big bridge. I can see a fire engine. I like that car. There are lots of people standing around looking at cars and also talking to each other about their cars. People love to talk to each other about their cars. There is a line of cars all lined up. There is a sausage sizzle happening here. You can get an egg and bacon roll, drinks. Okay, well, I have had a fun day out walking around, going to Kmart, going to the beach, and now a car show. I will see you next time. Bye.